All right, we're going to do a nice side posture adjustment, one of the best ones for back pain. And I'm just going to put your shoulder up here. Perfect. And we'll get you on the other side. Yes, one of the ways. And we'll just go this way here. Perfect. Okay, you can come back there.